Hi, my name is Gilmer Coronado. I'm the director of the HIPPY program. HIPPY stands for Home Instruction for Parents of Preschool Youngsters, and it's a home-based school readiness program that helps parents prepare their children for academic success. In other words, we help parents teach their children at home using the HIPPY curriculum. HIPPY is a free 30-week program available to all families that are zoned to HISD schools with children who are 2, 3, 4, or 5 by September 1st.
The HIPPY program promotes school readiness by focusing on domains to support learning such as language and literacy. Literacy helps with phonological awareness, phonemic awareness such as letter sound recognition. It also focuses on language where students learn new vocabulary words and how to communicate. We also do the gross motor skills where students learn to develop spatial awareness where they understand their relation and distance to objects in a room.
About 85% of the brain development happens by the age of 3, making these early years a very critical time to start developing the foundations for the child's future.
HIPPY uses role play as a method of instruction. That is where home visitors and parents take turns pretending to be the child.
This gives us an opportunity to show the parent when we're actually doing the lessons with them, how they need to act like the parent and what they would expect the child to do or even to act.
This helps parents understand the purpose of each activity and develop teaching skills in the comfort of their own home.
Our trained home instructors visit families once per week for about an hour to cover 5 domains. The goal of the HIPPY program is to empower parents and give them the skills and confidence they need to be their child's first educator.
We host monthly group meetings for our HIPPY families, offering informational workshops where parents can learn, connect with other families, and support their child's growth.
The HIPPY program strengthens the bond between the parent and child with fun activities. It gives parents the confidence and tools to support their child's learning.
As a former HIPPY mom, I really enjoyed that my child would come to me and want to do the activities.
I love HIPPY because it gives me access to a curriculum where I am able to work with a lot of hands-on activities with my children. These are activities that are fun for them because we have numbers, letters, colors, all the things that they're about to go to school for and learn in pre-K, they're already learning it at home with me. It's just something that has enhanced my relationship with them in so many levels.
Working for HIPPY has been a great experience for me. Reaching out to the community, talking to parents, and being able to be a part of parents teaching their children in their everyday life has been amazing. Seeing the progress they make as parents to be able to teach them, and also seeing the progress that children make in their education and just being prepared for school has been the most rewarding thing about working for HIPPY.
My favorite thing is that the HIPPY program not only gives the opportunities for families to bond and learn while they're having fun, but now we're seeing more father figures getting involved in their children's education.
It is inspiring to see the growth and achievements our families accomplish throughout the year.
One of the things I love about HIPPY is our end of the year celebrations. When our families come together, the children get to come to receive the first certificate of accomplishment besides their parent. Sharing that moment of pride and joy is truly priceless to me. I love the HIPPY program.